In this tutorial, we are building a journey which will send a message to Slack when a Freshdesk ticket is created. So let's start. Select Freshdesk as a trigger. As we want to create a new ticket, select New Ticket as trigger event. Select Existing Connection and click on Link an Account. Now in steps, we need to send a message to channel using Slack. Select Slack. Choose Send Message to Channel as action. Again, select the existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select Channel. Add message with ID and name as description. Add ID and name from Write App Data Tree. Next, select Yes for the field Message as User or Bot. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now we will check the output. Go to Freshdesk, create a new ticket by filling the required fields. Now a ticket is created. Next, go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Slack. We can see we have received a new message with Freshdesk ticket details. In this way, we can build a journey which will send a message to Slack when a Freshdesk ticket is created. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.